राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः नमो नमः। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। संस्कृतं कथमस्ति? संस्कृतं सुलभमस्ति। किमर्थं सुलभमस्ति? संस्कृतभाषा सरला भाषा, अतः अहं संस्कृतम् अवश्यं पठामि, वयं संस्कृतम् अवश्यं पठामः। With that, let us start our class. We shall revise the Shabda Rupani and Dhatu Rupani that we have learned.
Dakarantah Trilingah Yushmat Shabdah. Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. Vam Tva Yuvam Vam Yushman Vaha. Tvaya Yuvabhyam Yushmabhihi. Tubhyam Te Yuvabhyam Vam Yushmabhyam Vaha. Tvat Yuvabhyam Yushmat Tava Te Ivayoho Vam Yushmakam Vaha. Tvayi Ivayoho Yushmasu.
Uttamam, dhanyawadaha. Next, Dakarantah. First the title.
Dakarantah Trilingah Asmat Shabdah. Aham Avam Vayam Mam Ma Avam Nau Mannaha. Maya Avabhyam Asmabhihi. Mahyam Me Avabhyam Nau Mabhyam Nah. Mat Avabhyam Mat. Mama Me Avayoho Nau Makam Nah. Mayi Avayoho Asmat.
Okay, Uttamam, dhanyawadaha. Okay, in these two shabdas, Asmad and Yushmat shabdas, you might have seen two forms that are there for the alternating vibhaktis, Dvitiya, Chaturthi and Shashti vibhakti. Both these forms can be used identically. So there is no rule or anything that only one of the forms should be used, etc. In most of the cases, for simplicity or in shlokas or in poems, etc., to probably to fit also to the chandas, like there is only one letter requirement, etc. In such cases, the second form is mostly used. But in general speaking, we can use either of these forms. There's no restriction based on whether how to use the second form, alternate form. Okay, so just note that we can use it as Mahyam Amraphalam Rochate or Me Amraphalam Rochate. Any of these things, both are equivalent, both are same. But only thing is, since this Me also comes in Shashti Vibhakti and also in Chaturthi Vibhakti, based on the context, you will have to identify which Vibhakti it belongs to. Okay, that is the only thing. It will be difficult for anyone to immediately, if you read with Me, you will have to read also the other words that are there to get a feel of which Vibhakti this could be in. Okay, so we shall proceed further.
As dhatuhu vartamana kalaha lat lakarah. Asti staha santi. Asi sthaha stha. Asmi swaha smaha.
Uttamam, dhanyawadaha.
Kru tatuhu vartamana kalaka lat lakaraka. Karoti kurutaha kurvanti. Karoshi kurutaha kuruta. Karomi kurvaha kurmaha.
Uttamam, dhanyawadaha, Bhagini. So please practice these forms. Now the next activity is you will have to practice this along with one more word, maybe a pronoun or a namapada, like saha karoti, sa karoti, saha tau, tau kurutaha, te kurvanti, sa karoti, te kurutaha, taha kurvanti. Similarly, tvam karoshi, yuvam kurutha, yuyam kurutha, aham karomi, avam kurvaha, vayam kurmaha. In this way, we'll have to practice so that we'll also get to know when to use which pronoun along with these Kriya Padas. Okay, we shall go to the last Kriya Pada which we had learnt in the last class.
Da dhatuhu vartaman kalaha lat lakaraha. Pratham push dadati dattaha dadati. Dadasi dattaha dattha. ददामि दद्वः दद्मः.
Uttamam. Dhanyawadaha, Mahodaya. Well recited. So please practice these Kriyapadas. These are essential, and only with practice you will be able to understand and use it also. Okay. Let us now go to the Varnaha.
रक्तवर्णः, पीतवर्णः, श्वेतवर्णः, नीलवर्णः, हरितवर्णः, पाटलवर्णः, कौस्तुभवर्णः, श्यामलवर्णः, कपिशवर्णः, धूसरवर्णः, केसरवर्णः, चित्रः.
Uttamam. Dhanyawadaha. Well recited. So this is just to remember. So I'm showing this from last two classes. Let us remember these words so that these can be used as adjectives. These can be used as Visheshana Padani or with any of the Namapadas. So what is a Visheshanam? If you just to recall, any word that describes the quality, number, or measure, etc., is actually a Visheshana, is an adjective to the noun. So color also is a noun, is an adjective to any of the nouns. Okay, so there was one question related to what Kaustubha Varnaha is actually. Kaustubha is actually a jewel which is owned by Krishna, and this was one of the gems that was that came out during the churning of the Kshira Samudra. Basically, during Samudra Mathana, one of the gems that came out was Kaustubha Mani. So this you can think as it is similar or close color to orangish color. That's what you can think it. So it is not Kesara Varnaha, which is a saffron color, but shade of that, shade of orange. Okay. So we shall proceed further. The Sapta Kakaraha, just I shall revise and we'll go further. Kim Kutra Kati Kada Katham Kutaha Kimartham. These are the 7 questioning words that that are called as Sapta Kakaraha. So let us remember these. So these will be helpful for us to use in sentences. Now I just wanted to bring to your notice this slide again, which has the various meanings in which the vibhaktis will be used, or the meaning for each of the vibhaktis for usage. So prathama vibhakti is subject, that is the karta. So usually in a sentence, the person who is doing the action is called karta or the kartrapadam, and that particular word will be in prathama vibhakti. So based on this word, we will have to identify the correct kriyapada purusha, whether it is prathama purusha, madhyama purusha, or uttama purusha. So even though we may use asmat shabda or yushmat shabda in a sentence, for example, tubhyam or tvaya sakam ke pathanti. If you remember from our class, tvaya sakam ke pathanti. So along with you who all are reading, if that is a question, here we are using yushmat shabda, which is tvaya, but that is not in prathama vibhakti. Hence, the kriya padam will not be in uttama purusha or in madhyama purusha. So the kriya padam follows the karta. So whichever who is a karta, the person or the word that is there in prathama vibhakti depicts the karta. So in this case, ke pathanti, kaha kauke is in prathama vibhakti, and hence it is prathama purusha, and we use pathanti. If it were yuyam, okay, then in that case, tvam yuam yuyam patatha it would be. Then it will be madhyama purusha. If it is vayam, aham avam vayam, then it becomes patamaha. So depending on the prathama vibhakti word, whether it is any other shabda or asmat shabda or yushmat shabda, the purusha of the kriya padam is decided. That is first. And next, the usage is Ramaha gacchati, Ramo gacchataha, Ramaha gacchanti. This is a simple one sentence so that you will be able to understand it. Next, Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. Hey Rama. This is used whenever you call. Hey Rama, Atra agacchatu, agacha. Okay. So please come here. Atra agachasi, etc. If you want to use Madhyama Purusha. So whenever you use Sambodhana, it is directly you're saying you. Even though you're not using Yushmat Shabda in the sentence, it is evident that you are calling him and you are speaking to him directly. So then we will use Madhyama Purusha in most of the cases. Okay, then Ramam, this becomes the object. we can say Lakshmanaha Ramam Namati. Lakshmana bows down to Rama. Rama becomes the object in this sentence. Lakshmanaha is the karta. Lakshmanaha Namati. Lakshmanaha Kam Namati. Whom is Lakshmana bowing down to? If you ask a question, whatever answer you get, what or whom, etc. If you ask a question, then that answer will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti, and it is called Karma Padam. Okay, so that is a Karma Pada object of this Kriya, of this sentence. So Ramam Namati, Lakshmanaha Ramau Namati, Lakshmanaha Raman Namati. So the number, that is Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam of the Kriya Pada also depends on the Karta. So if it is many boys who are doing it, so for example, Balakaha Ramam Namati, Balakau Ramam Namataha, Balakaha Ramam Namanti. So if you take these two words, or these three words, Balakaha, Ramaha, and then Namati, so these three we will consider. In this case, Rama will be the object, and hence it will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ramam. We have fixed it. Now, based on how Balaka changes, Balakaha, Balakau, Balakaha, Ramam will be constant. You don't need to change based on Balaka. Okay, it will be constant because we say only Ramam Namati. Okay, Namati, Namataha, Namanti, Balakaha Namati, Balakau Namataha, Balakaha Namanti. Okay, Ramam will be same. Now, if you want to say Balaka goes down to two Ramas, that is Rama and Lakshmana, for example, then in that case, what you can use, Balakaha Ramau Namati, Balakau Ramau Namataha, Balakaha Ramau Namanti. So the Kriya Pada directly follows the Kartrupada, based on the number. Any other word which is there in any other Vibhakti will not influence the number of the Kriya Pada. Okay, Kriya or number or the Purusha of the Kriya Pada. So please note this. Okay, next, by or with instrument. This is Ramena, Tritiya Vibhakti. Ramaha Ravanam Hanti. Okay, Rama kills Ravana. How? If you ask a question, then or by what? Whether he will use a sword or using an arrow, etc. Then the answer will be Banena. Ramaha Ravanam Banena Hanti. So then we use by or with, which is by using an arrow, Rama killed Ravana. Similarly, recipient, which is to or for, whenever we ask a question, whom did he give, or who is benefited out of this, etc. Those kind of questions, then we'll use Chaturthi Vibhakti, Ramaya. Okay, so Lakshmanaha Ramaya Pustakam Dadati. Lakshmana gives a book to Rama. So Lakshmanaha Dadati will be the basic sentence. Okay, Balakaha Dadati. Then I'm using different words, and so that it will be easier for you to understand it. Ramaya instead of Ramaya. So if you want to say Adhyapakaya, we say Balakaha Adhyapakaya Pustakam Dadati. Balakaha Dadati, Balakaha Pustakam Dadati, Balakaha Adhyapakaya Pustakam Dadati. So in this way, we will be able to understand the sentences. Then Panchami is whenever there is a separation. Phalam, the fruit, falls down from a tree. Phalam vrikshat patati. The fruit falls down from a tree. Or Balakaha ashwat patati. The boy fell down or falls down from a horse. In this way, we can use Panchami Vibhakti. Next, Shashti Vibhakti is the relation Ramasya. So Kasya Pustakam, whose book is this? If a teacher asks, the student will say, Etat Pustakam, this book belongs to Etat Pustakam, Krishnasya Pustakam, or Etat Krishnasya Pustakam. This is Krishna's book. Whenever we say a relation. Otherwise, another example is Ramaha Dasharathasya Putraha. Rama is the son of Dasharatha. In this way, we will use Shishti Vibhakti of, which is a relation. Then the last one, which is Saptami Vibhakti, its location in, on, at, or also at a time. So where can I find this? Where is this sentence? If you ask a question like Kutra, Etat Kutra Asti, where is this? Etat Kutra Vartate, or Etat Kutra Bhavati, where will this happen? All these questions. Then you can answer it in the Etat Pustake Asti, this is there in the book. Okay, that is one way. Or Etat Bengaluru Nagare Bhavati, so this happens in Bengaluru, and so on. So you can give the location, time, etc. Kada, for that question also, kada pathati, Ramah kada pathati, Ramah pratah kale pathati, in the morning, pratah kale. So this is how we will use these vibhaktis. So hope this is clear now.